Well, that's strange. I take this guy off and no water. So I guess it wasn't meant to be. But as you can see, I had to go all the way down there. Way in there, connect that in there was a hard thing to do. But I got it done. So just back going ways that way in case something does happen. There's no water. I'm gonna put the clamp back on. This will just be like that or something. So just ran into that. Secure fill. Now so I made it. Actually, this I had already had on, so not too worried. So there, so I don't run into it next time. I know it works, so I just showed you guys it. Mystery, mystery, mystery. You turn this on like this.